So, another weekend with Jim. Today is Sunday, IndyCar racing day. We had an interesting morning. It was about 11 o'clock, a storm came in and completely stopped the race, shut everything down. They sent people back to their cars, lightning, thunder everywhere. And about 1 o'clock, it stopped raining, sun came out, and this is what we got now. Who knew? Well, today we're going to do another weekend with Jim. Welcome back to Weekends with Jim. And my dad, I just got to post. My dad's been monitoring the race for me because when you live in Indianapolis, the place where the race is, you cannot watch it live on TV. It's not a sold out event. I mean, I don't get it. Anyway, but we can start watching it after the race is over. Right when the race is over, they'll show it. My dad's been monitoring it for me and telling me what's going on. We found it on YouTube, and Terry's been watching some of it, but it's very bad quality. Anyway, I can watch it later on. I can find the finals out in a few minutes from my dad. So today, I bought a $90 grill from Walmart that I'm going to put together. I've had a lot of grills. The first one I had was okay, but I didn't take care of it, and it rusted because I wasn't sure about weather conditions. Second one I got was a flat grill, which is really nice, but it was too big. It was too hard to clean, and I had to clean all the time after I was using it. So I bought this 3-burner $90 grill from Walmart. Let's put it together, shall we? Let's see what we got. 90 bucks. It's either really bad, not too bad, or good enough to last 1 or 2 years. Information, instructions in different languages, of course. Grill outdoors instructions and grill outdoor instructions de asamblea in Spanish. Okay. So if I look at this, it's a lot of hee-haw, jab, 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 grill, positions, everything else. Put that away. Malo. Yeah, malo. Well, my wife told me who won the race. It was Newgarden, 2nd year in a row. Good for him. But our Mexican driver lost 2nd place. That's okay, man. Hey, have Have you ever driven to Mexico? They should be winners all the time. Believe me. So 80. I'm gonna say $80 grill. Can't remember how much I paid for it. Check them out for $1. But yeah, I mean, it took a couple hours to build it. More time than I thought. What I changed the wheels. These I would exchange out. Put a better plate in here, but I mean I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. I think it's a 1 year use type of grill. It's not very sturdy, not very strong metal for it either. But it's got the attachments for it on the side over here. It seems to be fine. It looks good. Let's go cook something. Just check it out. So there's my steak. Here's my spray, oil spray. Turn the gas on again. First try. I don't need the right side. Spray. Let's get her hot. You know what? Let's be consistent. Is a grill from Walmart worth building and putting together. It does take some time to do it. If you're not going to move it around very much, which I'm not, it's going to stay right here. I cooked my steak fine. I do like that all three of those are interactive, and they have the mechanism to light with the propane. So if I want the last one to light for something different, I can. The instructions are very picturesque. Watch it, look at it. I'm going to change some of the bolts out because they're very bad. The wheels, again, if you're going to move it around for like events or picnics and all that kind of stuff, yeah, it's kind of worth it. It really is. For the money, and I'm going to put it away in springtime. I'm going to cover it up and see how long it lasts, and I'll give a 1 year review. But until then, we'll keep on going. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Walmart Expert Grill build, straight out of the box, for $80 or $90. $80, I think it was $80 that I bought it for. So I'll just stick with $80 for a barbecue bill, a 3-burner. So here we go. Right, Peckus? What you doing? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Come here, give it to me again. Right here. Good girl. Okay.